As one of the digital natives, we have a love and hate relationship with mobile gadgets. We are addicted to them so much, but sometimes get tired of the way we engage. The way that we can't help feel not integrated between human and technology, no matter how tight we holding the phone. The way that we feel tied up by the gadgets and couldn't set our hands free. The way that we need continuously operate and couldn't enjoy fully. Now say hello to SoPro and shake it off. It is the ring that helps you rule it all and enjoy it all. It brings you the ultimate easy, relaxing entertainment experience. You can browse TikTok, Instagram with it. A simple click to like it or read ebook while your hands are full or switch your music even smoothly while jogging.
SoPro Smart Ring is an excellent extension towards any devices. Now, I don't have to hold my phones, Kindles and iPad anytime anymore. It just makes life so much easier.
Have you ever experienced a snapshot? I mean a real snapshot. With SoPro, you can take your shot any moment, any position, any circumstances. By just snap your finger.
I can control my phone without any touches. Besides, it's easy to connect it with any type of phones without any apps installed. Life is just so much easier when you click and snap your finger.
Getting tired of being tied up by the electronics? Want to set your hands free when you're doing presentation? Try the latest SoPro, which helps you shake off all the troubles while you present. It easily connected to your cell phone and control the slides. It makes your presentation more flexible and more fun. Like magic, you just snap your finger and switch. Have you ever experienced a magic finger snap? SoPro is the latest gadget that helps you rule it all with just a finger snap. It's wearable, so it can set your hands free while still not losing control of your phones. 7-day battery standby supports you whole day work and life. And the exquisite workmanship, it's more than a smart gadget, but also a fine and fabulous accessory. Get ready to shine with a finger snap.